Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Discord chats clean and distraction-free, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide embeds and preview links when you paste them into chat on Discord Web right from your PC. With the latest Discord update, this process is easier than ever, and you'll have more control over how your messages appear to others. Let's get started. First, open Discord in your browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once Discord loads, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the left sidebar. Scroll through the options until you find the one labeled Chat. Click on it to open the chat settings. This is where you can customize how messages and links appear in your conversations. Within the chat settings, look for the section called Embeds and Link Previews. This is where Discord controls how website links and media previews are shown in your chat. By default, Discord will show a preview of any link you paste, which can sometimes clutter up your conversation or reveal information you'd rather keep private. To hide these previews, simply find the option that says Show Embeds and Preview Website Links pasted into chat. There's a toggle switch next to it. Click to turn it off. Once this is disabled, any links you paste will appear as plain text without any automatic previews or embedded content. That's it. You've now disabled link previews and embeds in your Discord chats. This simple change can make your chat experience cleaner and more private, especially in busy servers or group conversations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Discord experience.